This is a message from the St. Bernards County Jail and would like you to pay attention to this urgent message. At 3:30 a.m. 3 fugitives broke out of the county jail and stole a 1966 Ford pickup and has went down to Ogden County. The fugitives are 78-year-old Andrew Alfreds, 50-year-old Mike Largigo and 59-year-old Michael Lersman. If you or a loved one saw these fugitives, immediately call your nearest police department as soon as possible. These fugitives are highly dangerous and have been shown to have cannibalistic tendencies. So in the meantime, listen to the following instructions. These instructions are to lock your doors and windows and bring all pets and livestock inside and secure, and be careful while walking out at night. We hope that by telling you this we will bring the criminals to justice.